Hi everyone, welcome to la Cosedora Nail Art. I'm Lady and today we will be doing an Easter design inspired on Easter eggs. So let's do it! We are going to use all the creamy colors that we have and the la Cosedora 601 nail art stencils and the Acher ring. I have a creamy pink nail polish as a base and I'm going to use chevron, lines and curves stencils. It's very important that your polish must be completely dry. Why? Because we have to press firmly to avoid filtrations of nail polish under the stencils. Here I'm combining yellow and orange by soft touches with the polish brush. Remove stencil immediately. Always do this gently. Now I will use pink and blue, but you will see why it's so important that you let dry your polish completely. The design can get ruined, but this can be fixed. Just paint again with creamy pink with a little brush. And here I am combining mint green and yellow. Do a bit of cleaning and use a drawing tool to do white dots to give happiness to our Easter eggs. Play with the colors to achieve a lovely and delicate design that you can use even at school combining the appropriate colors. And here is our design. Hope you like it. I'm leaving a link in the description box to our Amazon store if you want our nail art stencils. See you the next time. Bye!